The wait is finally over. After months of silence, the Nothing Phone 4a has made its first concrete appearance online, sparking a wave of excitement in the smartphone community. Spotted in the IMEI database under the model number A069, the listing, dated September 23, 2025, confirms the device as manufactured by Nothing Technology Limited, despite the entry being marked as "No Record Found." This subtle yet significant detail signals that Nothing is moving closer to its next major launch, with the 4a expected to debut next year as the latest addition to its performance-oriented yet budget-friendly A-series lineup. Early leaks also suggest that this model could be the one to carry forward the brand's distinctive glyph interface, a design element that has set Nothing apart since its debut. Software has always been a major strength for the brand, and the 4a seems ready to reinforce that. The phone is rumored to launch with Nothing OS 4.0, built on Android 16, promising a streamlined and fluid user experience. This update should not only refine the brand's minimalistic design philosophy, but also introduce optimized AI tools and stronger system-level enhancements. In terms of hardware, the Nothing Phone 4a is tipped to feature a large, Full HD+ LTPS AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smoother visuals for gaming, streaming, and everyday navigation. In addition, reports point to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 as the primary choice of chipset, though alternative rumors mention a MediaTek Dimensity processor, leaving open the possibility of different regional variants. Battery life and charging speed will also play a big role in the A4's appeal. The device is expected to house a 5,000 mAh cell with support for 50-watt fast charging, a setup designed to strike the right balance between longevity and convenience. On the imaging side, Nothing looks prepared to push boundaries in the mid-range space. According to leaks, the A4 could feature a triple lens system on the back, each with 50 megapixels, covering the primary, ultra-wide, and telephoto categories. Combined with a 32-megapixel front camera, the device may deliver strong photography performance comparable to premium handsets, a crucial factor in the highly competitive mid-tier market. Positioned as the bridge between affordability and premium experience, the A-series has historically catered to tech-savvy users who want more than the basics without stepping into flagship territory. If the rumors around display, performance, and camera prove accurate, the A4 could easily blur that line, offering advanced features while keeping costs under control. While IMEI certification does not reveal every specification, it serves as a strong indicator that the device is in active development and heading toward a global release. As for availability, industry chatter suggests that the Nothing Phone 4a will launch globally in March 2026, with pricing expected to remain in the mid-range category, keeping it competitive against rivals from Samsung, Xiaomi, and OnePlus.